Sonauto, a longtime competitor of Suno's, is really going for it now, but I don't know what it is they're going for. Welcome back to the channel where we discuss the creative uses of AI, and truly, the less I say on this video about what's going on this video, probably the better. So you're going to have to use your visual skills and watch the screen to see what's going on. If you're brand new to generative AI music, then this video may not make any sense to you. But if you've been playing with this stuff for a while and you're relatively knowledgeable about all the copyright screaming that's going on and just everything that is implied by AI music, then you'll probably be interested in this, at least enough to raise an eyebrow like a lot of other people are doing. I first talked about Sonauto 2 years ago, back in April of 2024, and they are still kicking, they are still free. And as I show you what they're doing and what they're capable of, just remember, I'm just the messenger. I'm just telling you about what's out there. You have the option to go play with it yourself. A couple of other quick caveats while we're at it. Number one, these musical examples are based on my musical knowledge, my musical taste, which is not the same as yours, and you are free to go and explore with whatever artist you'd like. I'm just here to make, if you will, a musical point. Also, there are animations with each of these videos. I'm actually just playing with a new AI video model called LTX2 Audio to Video, which takes audio and then converts it into a video based on an image or a prompt. And of course, I'm doing all of that over at OpenArt, and there is a link in the description. Now, for each of these examples, you'll hear a small clip. You'll see the prompt I used and some of the lyrics. So, you know, if anybody asks, you didn't hear about this from me, okay?
You got it!
All right, here we go.
Tracy, the sun is climbing up the garden wall, waiting for you to wake, rub the sleep from your eyes. Lovely day.
Guilty. Bad little paws. Oh, they are such bad little paws. Tearing up the curtains, knocking down the glass. Everything is broken, everything.
Chrome bed and rusted radiator hisses like a time radiator cap underneath the awning. Gray and gray as a wet wool blanket. I got $3 exactly, 3 crumpled kings, 2 acres.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. 61 years of being kind, 61 years on my mind, dear Bob.
Why die? The morning sun is hitting like a brick. I need a quick fix of that bitter brown water boiling in the pot, steam rising from the spout.
I know you better than you know yourself. You think you're hiding from me on the shore.
I pull the cord, I pull the weight at the well from 2 to 7 a.m. Working while the neighbors sleep from 2 to 7 a.m. Broken promises I keep, working hard, hard.
Night, waking, cold storm, breathing, silent, morning, but the first day, spinning on nothing fast, moving fast, everything, suddenly, all one.
So by now, you're either fascinated with the technology, you're irritated by the technology, and or irritated with my musical choices. And clearly there's anything anybody's going to do with any of these songs to make any money. So it's just a pure fun playground for yourself or your friends just to go, hey, it sounds just like them, doesn't it? If these are the types of technologies you like to hear about, well, why not subscribe to this channel? Because creative AI is what we talk about all the time.
If you subscribe now, I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you do not, I will look for you. I will find you. And I